Viral video reveals two motorcycle riding individuals breaking into a BMW car in Bengaluru, making off with a substantial amount of nearly rupees 14 lakh in cash. The luxury vehicle was registered to Mr. Mohan Babu, a resident of Anekal's Kasaba, who had accumulated the money, including a significant amount borrowed from a friend, to facilitate the registration of a plot of land in Muthagatti village. This brazen theft unfolded on Friday afternoon in Bengaluru when two men on motorcycles targeted a parked BMW car, ultimately fleeing with rupees 13.7 lakh in cash. The entire incident was captured on a nearby CCTV camera, and the footage has since gone viral, sparking concerns about public safety. The incident occurred in the vicinity of the sub-registrar's office in Sompura, Sarjapur. In the video, one suspect can be observed waiting on a motorcycle while his accomplice forcibly shattered the driver's window to gain access to the cash. Notably, this audacious crime took place in broad daylight, with onlookers standing by as it is transpired. The targeted BMW car belonged to Mr. Mohan Babu, who along with his relative Ramesh had parked the vehicle near a Girias outlet close to the sub-registrar's office at approximately 1:30 pm. Upon their return at 2:30 pm, they were met with the disheartening sight of the car's window shattered and the substantial cash sum missing. Subsequently, Mr. Babu reported the incident to the Sarjapur police station. The authorities have now registered a case under Indian Penal Code sections 379, that is theft, and 427. An active investigation is currently underway to apprehend the culprits behind this daring theft. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Sala Digital.
ಯಾವನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತವನೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಕವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸಿದ್ದು?